Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Windows tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can speed up the performance of your PC. That's how to speed your PC performance. Very simple and easy. I'm going to show you guys 4 different things or 5 different things to do to speed up your performance of your PC. So the first one you're going to talk about is you need to remove programs you don't use on your PC. So to remove programs, I think I have a video on that. You just need to uninstall these apps. You get it? So we just search here, add or remove programs. So we just select the first result here. So on here we have all the apps I've been installing on this PC or this system. So you can see weather, voice recorder, and the rest. I don't have any app I want to uninstall, but to uninstall an app, you just need to select it like this, and you're going to see this uninstall pop-up. You just tap on that and it's going to uninstall. Sometimes you're going to get some pop-ups. You just need to tap on okay, and then you uninstall the app. So that's the first option. You need to remove programs you don't use from the PC. I'm done with option 1. The second one is you need to disable your startup programs. So there are programs that as soon as you turn on your PC, they start running in the background. So let me show you guys how to find them. So you just need to hop on here and then you search startup. I have a video on this too as well. So you can see on this PC, these are the apps or programs that start up or run in the background automatically anytime I turn on this PC. You get it? So you just need to turn them on and off. So you can turn it off, you can turn it on, you can turn it on, you can turn it off. You get it? So that's it. This is the second option. Disable your startup apps. If they are not important, I think you need to disable them. So the third option is by adding more RAM to your PC. So let's say your PC is running very slow and you've cleared everything, you've done anything you need to do. I think you should check your RAM as well. So if your PC can take up to, let's say, 16 gig and then you have 8 GB RAM in it, I think you should upgrade it. Every PC has its allocated RAM that it can take. So if your PC is allocated to take like 16 GB RAM or 32, and then you have 16 inside, you can go to a repairer and then you get a 1616, or you can get an 8.4, which 8.4 is going to get you like 32. I don't know. But 1616 should get you 32, something like that. And then you insert it in your PC. The higher your RAM, the faster your PC is going to process things and going to make your PC run very much fast and speed it up. And then the last option is you need to run a disk cleanup. So let me show you guys this. I have a video on that too as well. So let me show you guys here. So just search disk. Good, and disk cleanup. So I searched that. You can see I have 2 different disks. I have an hard disk and SSD on this PC. So let me choose the C. Okay, the SSD. And now let me choose OK. You can see here, so these are the files that they think I should clean from my disk of this PC. So the total amount of 14 megabytes, let's say 15 because it's 14.8. So let's run it to 15. So you just tap on OK here. Are you sure you want to delete permanently? Yeah, I want to delete them. So cleaning the drive and I'm good to go. So let's say you have 2 different drives. You just need to come on here again, disk, select it once again, and you can see I cleaned the C. So now I need to select the D to clean the D2 as well. So okay, and then blah blah blah. I don't use the D, I use it to save files. I don't use it, so I'm not going to clean that. So that's the 4th option to do that. So that's it on how you can speed up the performance of your PC. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And I have a lot of tutorial videos on Windows. So if you use Windows, you can hop on my channel to get this how-to things on Windows on my channel. So that's it for the video once again. Peace.